Hey friends, if you wish to install a new Bluetooth adapter on your Windows system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. First of all, why would you need to install a Bluetooth adapter? Obviously, if the Bluetooth adapter on your device has gone bad, so go and search for Amazon.com because that's the best site, or you can choose anyone you want and search for Bluetooth adapter and then buy this Bluetooth adapter, whichever has good ratings. I usually buy Asus products, but that's up to you. And after you buy a Bluetooth adapter, you can search for device manager in the Windows search bar. One device manager. Connect the Bluetooth adapter. It should be connected. Expand Bluetooth here. If you find the adapter here automatically, that's good. Otherwise, right click on the previous adapter, select uninstall device, select uninstall, then click on action and scan for hardware changes. Okay, so here's what it does. It will uninstall the previous one, and when you scan for hardware changes, it will only pick up the working adapter on your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.